This is turning out to be a little disastrous. So if you see, it has kind of smoothed out my skin a little bit. So, didn't like it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. This is Avni Talwar this side, and today I have a very interesting makeup review for you guys. Well, आज का जो ब्रांड है मैं बहुत टाइम से यूज कर चुकी हूँ एंड दैट ब्रांड इज नोन एज ब्लू हेवंस. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन बिलो अगर आपने इनके कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज किए हैं. वेल, आई डिड डू एन एंटायर रिव्यू ऑन इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड आई वाज प्रीटी इम्प्रेस्ड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक दैट वीडियो ओवर हियर समवेयर. So yeah, I have a little high hopes when it comes to Blue Heaven as well. Let's see, am I pleased or am I disappointed? Because lately life has been disappointing me. So without wasting any further time, let's move ahead and let's get started. So to begin with, I am going to start with this primer. This is what the primer looks like. It is the Flawless Makeup Based Primer. I have honestly never tried this primer before, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. I think this has a very silicone base. So what this claims is that it is a perfect base for a long stay makeup, fills pores and fine lines. So it has a very matte finish. I think this is perfect for summers because summer mein I tend to sweat a lot. And yes, I think this is gonna smooth out my skin pretty well. Yeah, I can actually feel it. So if you see, it has kind of smoothed out my skin a little bit. So I think for me this product is a thumbs up. Next off, I'm going to go ahead with a concealer. This is what the concealer looks like. Yeah, this is the shade Vanilla 101. Honestly, जब मैंने इसे online देखा तो मुझे लगा कि it is going to be of my shade, but I highly doubt it. But any which ways, now that we are here, I'm gonna give this a try. So I'm gonna start with the inner corner. Okay, this is very light for my shade. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm going to sort this out. Alright, let's trust the process and give it a go ahead. This is turning out to be a little disastrous. This is becoming very ashy-ish kind of a thing. And I'm not liking how this product is turning out. So this product is really not blending out well. I'm trying my best to blend it out. But ये है ना थोड़ा अभी से it's leaving a little bit of patches if you guys can see. So I'm not sure how this will work. Okay, this is really bad product. If you could see. So no, this is really not working out for me. No. Not working out. Any which ways, I am going to see how I'm going to set this up because this concealer is really of a very bad quality, so I will not really recommend you guys. But I'm going to move ahead with the next product, which is my favorite. It is a Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. This is what the product looks like. This has a spoolie on one side, so I'm just going to brush and tame my eyebrows first. Just gonna brush it really well. This is, I think, in the shade deep brown. I think, yeah. So this is perfect, but it's not opening up with the outer corners. Slightly building it in, combing it through. To be honest, I'm really not a big fan of this product as well because I'll show you the pigment. I don't know what it has done, but this is how the pigment is. And इसको glide करना भी बहुत it's very dry basically. So इसे glide करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो रहा है. So didn't like it. Next, I have this eyeshadow which is known as Cocktail Fever. The reason I bought this eyeshadow because it has purple, grays and a nude tone as well. So it becomes a very nice combination if you want a party or you want to go for neutrals. This claims to be matte and metallic. So I'm just gonna see how this looks like. I still am yet to open this. So I'm gonna struggle a tad bit to open this. So ये plastic हटा के first it claims that it has metallic also and sadly ये eyeshadow भी टूटा हुआ आया है. Oh god, if this breaks, it just breaks. ये दिखने में थोड़ा चौकी है. Now I'm going to use I'm going to create a little soft mauvey look. So I'm going to use these and these palette. First, I'm just gonna show you what the pigment looks on my hand. I feel it's quite pigmented though. Yeah, it is quite pigmented. So let's begin with the eyeshadow look. अब तक तो मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि कोई कलर छूटा है, but let's give this a try. Let's be a little optimistic about it. I'm gonna take a dark purple shade and I'm gonna put it on the lids of my eyes. So if you see, this eyeshadow has a lot of fallout. I think it's ऐसा loose pigment जैसा काम कर रहा है, but if you see here, there's a lot of fallout and I really don't like it. So I'm just gonna set my eyes first and then I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so this is what my eyeshadow is looking like. ये ऑन स्क्रीन इतना पिगमेंट नहीं दिखा रहा है, बट ऑफ स्क्रीन इसका काफ़ी सारा पिगमेंट है. आई थिंक इट्स अ डिसेंट प्रोडक्ट, सो आई हैव अ लिटिल मिक्स रिव्यू अबाउट इट ओनली बिकॉज आई हैड अ फॉल आउट एंड या दैट्स दैट. Let's move on to eyeliner now. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I have already given a review about this eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. This is in the shade black and this is for 7 ml. I'm going to list down all the prices in the description box down below. But let's see how this turns out right now because usually मुझे ये liner काफ़ी पसंद आता है. It's very pigmented. I'm just gonna show you on the back of my hand how pigmented this liner is. This is what the liner looks like. I think it's very pigmented and I really like this tip. अभी ये वाला जो मिला है इसका टिप ऐसा है, so I'm a little skeptical as to how to go about it. Any which ways, I'm going to try it out. So next off, I'm going to use this foundation. ये जो shade है ये है Caramel 401 Vitish and ये claim करता है to be hyper matte foundation. So let's give this a try. ये है ना थोड़ा भुरभुर जैसा छोड़ रहा है. Honestly, Blue Heavens has kind of not been up to the mark is what I feel. Okay, so I literally look like a ghost in it. This shade of course is not a match for me. In addition to that, if I am moving a little bit close, ये foundation actually फट रहा है if you see. So I don't know how to go about it. I'm trying to be really optimistic about the products, but they are just not functioning really well. I'm any which ways gonna move ahead and I'm just so disappointed looking myself in the camera as well, but theek hai, we'll be optimistic and we'll go ahead and see how the entire turn looks out. So far I'm really not liking the product. So one of the most viral product that I did see was this lip balm from Blue Heavens. So the very intriguing part is this heart shape. If you can see, this part is what caught everyone's attention and I'm going to give this a try. I think so far the only product that I've loved is this lip balm. I am going to use this as a cheek tint as well. So I'm gonna go ahead generously and apply it over here, and generously I'm gonna apply it over here, and I'm going to blend it out and let's see how this turns out. So I honestly love this product. This tint and this हल्का सा tint is what it's given. Usually मुझे मेरा blush ऐसा ही पसंद है. I don't like to go overboard with it. Now that this shade is not matching me, तो शायद हल्का सा वो pop आ रहा है. But overall, I like this product. This is something that I would really recommend. Also, just look at this. The eyeliner is also bleeding for some reason. It has not happened before. I don't know what is happening with Blue Heavens lately because I think वो लोग का quality of the product has degraded. Okay, so now with the compact, this is a compact which gives a matte finish and it has SPF 25. Well, this is something that I'm looking forward to apply because it says it's oil control, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. I'm gonna dip in and just tap off the excess one, and I'm gonna start putting it on my face. It's a shade darker to the foundation, but this has worked a little decent for me, and I see myself using this compact again. My brush is also acting out, I don't know, for some reason. So this is what my face looks like. I don't see a saving grace happening anytime soon, but yeah, let's just keep on moving ahead with this video. Next off, I have this Hyperstay Super Matte Blue Heaven lipstick. This is in the shade Exotic Red, and this is what the product looks like. I'm just gonna quickly wash out this excess lip gloss because I know वो वैसे नहीं लगेगा. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like, and I do not like the quality because आप देखोगे कि ये भी फटने लगा है पहले से ही. मेरे होठ यूजली ड्राई अप रहते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट दैट ड्राई अप कि ये ऐसा लगे, एंड इसे ग्लाइड करना भी बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो गया था. Overall, I'm really disappointed and I can't see myself in this mirror. So I'm quickly gonna wash my face and I'm gonna shoot the outro. Well. I had to not shoot an entire video on Blue Heavens Cosmetics because my, first off, the quality of the product was just so bad, and it's not just one product but multiple products. Second off, I know that it is a budget friendly kind of product, but hello, I am still investing some kind of money, so you might as well just give me some good damn quality products, right? And I was really disappointed. I mean, I've seen a lot of influencers who are claiming that ये product ले लो अच्छा है, वो product ले लो अच्छा है, but to be really honest, Blue Heavens did not meet my expectations, and like I said, life तो disappointed चल ही रही है. मैंने सोचा था maybe, but yeah, it just did not match up to my level, and I'm really disappointed with this one. So will I recommend it to you guys? Absolutely not. And if you're still going and buying it out, that means you have a lot of money. So hello, maybe just send it to me. Well, I'm kidding on that one, but yeah, I was really disappointed with this one. Well, I think I'm gonna try some other brand, and I'm not gonna have such high expectations here on, but let's see. Experiment करने के लिए मैं हूँ ना. So that's that for this video, and yes, I will see you next time soon. Till then, like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time soon. Okay, bye.